and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today, a vendor sent me a free product, and this is a free product. This is a paid shoppable video. Today, we are gonna change an awning out on my brother-in-law's travel trailer. And so we've got a 20-foot awning, and let's get straight to it. Let's open up this box and see what we got, shall we? I've changed a couple of these out now, so you might say I'm a professional. Let's get this box out of the way. So this is a pretty long one. We're going to roll this out, and then I'm going to set this tripod up, and we're just going to let you watch us put this up. It's a very easy process, and I'll stop it and show you a couple of quick little tricks you can do along the way, and that's it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to roll out this awning just about this far, and we're going to put tie wraps up to hold it up, because once we remove the awning material, the awning arm is going to want to fall down. Those tie straps will hold it up. So far is we cut the awning all the way down, and we removed it. This piece here slides right out of the channel, and we've moved it. So now all we have left is what's on the roll there. We're going to clean the channel out that goes along the awning, along the RV. We're going to clean that out. Then we're going to remove the roll, so that we'll remove the rest of the awning out. Then we'll roll up the awning on the new one, or we'll attach the awning to the RV. Then we'll roll it up on the roll. We'll be set to go. Moving down to the other end, we're going to start putting up this awning. So if you look on the awning, it has this cord goes in the slot on the trailer. So he's putting soapy water in the slot. He's cleaning it, and then he's putting soapy water in it so it doesn't stick so hard. Then we're going to just slide it up in there. I'm just going to put it over here.
That's fine. Just out of the way of the awning.
Yep.
Do you want it to go over this or under it? Yeah.
And this ladder. Are you holding?
I'm not holding the ladder.
No, I need to pull this ladder out a little bit. It's coming down a little bit.
Okay.
All right, go. Hang on.
Got it?
Let's give it I think you want to pop out this last.
Just hold the weight off of the bottom.
All right.
Got it?
Okay, track. Keep going. Almost there. Yep. Okay. Getting close now. Yep. Stop. All right, that's what go ahead. Another inch. Are you out? Stand up. Okay. Go ahead. All right, we're in.
So we just want to...
I want to even it up.
Yep. So you need to go your way about probably at least 4 inches. Awesome.
Okay. That's the hardest part of the whole deal. All right, so we attached the awning to the top. We haven't screwed in on either end yet because we want to be able to adjust that top end in case it's rolling up wrong. And we have removed the old awning, and we've just slid the awning back in all the way across here. And now we're going to preload this end. We're going to load this end up because it's a spring awning. We're going to load this end up, and we'll be almost done. So, wait a minute, now is this going to go flying?
Not like you haven't practiced.
Right?
Exactly, we got this part down. We got this part down. You gotta go 2, you gotta go 3.
Left up.
And just the resistance against this cylinder.
That's enough? Yeah.
What did you do last time? 2 more.
Yeah.
2 more compounding that.
Yep. All right, so we've got the tension adjusted right finally, and now we're going to roll it up and down. Beautiful.
That better?
Feels better.
And just for the record, this is a 20-foot awning, so they're pretty heavy. So you have to, I would suggest 2, if not 3 people helping. And plan on about 3 hours for installation.
I can do it.
Go out and get your awning today. It's not difficult. Maybe a little time consuming, but not difficult. Get 2-3 people to help you and 2 ladders. Go out and get your awning today.